Hello everyone and welcome back to AMI Guru. So today we will going to discuss about the composite material. So let's get started our video. Composite is the term used to describe two or more materials combined to form a much stronger structure than the either material by itself. The most composites is composed of two elements, that is the matrix, which is the bonding substance, some reinforcing materials, and sometimes the third material used, that is the core material, to form a composite structure. Matrix is generally in a liquid form, reinforcing material is in solid, and core material also is in solid material. The concept of a composite is not new. The oldest man-made buildings material also use the composite formula known as the adobe. Adobe is produced by combining two dissimilar materials, that is mud and straw, to form a bricks. These bricks then cured in a sun rays and then used in buildings. Now let's come to our aircraft composite. In aircraft composite, the resin is used with a reinforcing fiber to made parts. Now let's come to our next topic, that is the advantages of a composite material. First advantage is high strength to weight ratio. It is a key consideration in aircraft construction because weight saving is more, and if weight save, the more cargo, more, and of course more passengers will be carried on board. The second advantage is it is as strong as the metal but with considerable weight saving, about 20% of more weight reduction when we use composite instead of aluminum. The third advantage is by the use of composite material, more smooth and counterparts achieve, which is not possible by the metal. Fourth advantage is very large part can be made in a single piece, eliminating the riveting, which in weight reduce. Fifth advantage is it is very flexible and resisting vibrations, thus eliminating the problem of stress fatigue as in metal structure. Sixth is the composite don't corrode like metals. Seventh advantage is reduce wear is another advantage to use the composites. Now let's come to the uses. In military, the military has been using composites longer than that of the civil markets. Many aircrafts and helicopters are presently using the composite components. Only the more expensive aircraft will be included in this section. Boron is expensive and very dangerous to work with, and many accidents have occurred from mishandling the boron. Many military aircrafts like F-15, F-14, B-1B bomber, B-2 bomber, V-22 tilt rotor aircraft uses the composite materials. On primary control surface, landing gear doors and rotors uses composites. Many airliners uses composite material. Boeing manufacturer and Airbus manufacturer also use the composite on their elevator rudders, outboard ailerons, inboard flaps, and leading edge, also on rudder, flight main deck floor panel. You can see in this image the main deck floor panel, radome, and fixed leading edge upper and lower panels are made up of the composite structure. Also, many business jets use composite materials. Composite materials are used on many secondary structures and flight control surfaces. Fiberglass, carbon fiber, and Kevlar are used. Hybrid materials of these materials are also used. Sandwich structure of Nomex honeycomb cover are used extensively on the aircraft. Many helicopters also use composite materials. Sikorsky S-36 helicopter uses thermoset matrix around the extensive amount of Kevlar sheets and Kevlar honeycomb. This conserves weight while providing the vibration dampening effect. About 60% of the total airframe is considered of a composite on S-36 helicopter. In terms, it save about 30% in weight reduction by using Kevlar 49. So this is all about the basic information of a composite structure. My upcoming next video is on a reinforcing fiber and a matrix used in a composite material. So thank you for watching this video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my video and press the bell icon. Thank you.